Jetta's kitchen. Autumn brings us pumpkins. What can we do with these pumpkins? How can we turn this pumpkin into a pumpkin pie or pumpkin bread? We will need to cook the pumpkin to get the puree for making the pie or bread. You will want to cut into the pumpkin as if you were making a jack-o'-lantern. Now you want to take the top off and remove the seeds and the pulp. Once you've cleaned out the seeds and the pulp, you can either do it as a jack-o'-lantern, but I wouldn't use the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin for a pie. You want to cut through the pumpkin to make two halves. Clean out all this extra pulp to make it smooth. I used an ice cream scoop to scoop out all the extra pulp. Ideally, you'd like to have these lay flat on your tray, but I'm going to take one of them and cut it in half so I can bake them all at the same time. You'll preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Place the pumpkin on a baking sheet. The skin will be up, and we're going to bake it for 1 to 1.5 hours or until you stick a knife into it and it will easily come out. I baked this for 1.5 hours. As you see, when I put the knife in, it goes in very smoothly. I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes until it's cool. Then we can work with it. I brought out the Cuisinart and I'm going to put the blender blade on it. Remove the skin of the pumpkin. Blend until a smooth puree. Transfer this into another bowl. Portion out 2 cups of pumpkin in a Ziploc bag. 2 cups make 1 pie. Freeze the pumpkin up to 3 months. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.